Let's author a new Smart Assessment template to configure a Smart Assessment questionnaire. From the Assessment Workspace, we'll start by selecting New Template to create a new template from scratch. On the form, let's fill in or modify the fields. We'll start with the template name, which should be unique. Next, we can optionally add an assessment name. This is an alternative name for the generated assessment that will display to respondents instead of the template name. In the description field, we'll explain the template's purpose. For the purpose field, select the Assessment Templates category. This value should be field service. Next, let's select the assessment target. This is the table to be assessed. If we select multiple tables, the scope becomes a combination of records from each table. When finished, select Create. With our template created, we'll add our content. We'll fill in the overall instructions. Add sections that group related questions together. Then add any questions we'll want asked, along with how they will appear on screen. Optionally, we can add any guidance for responding to questions as well. After we've added all our content, we'll select Save. When we're ready to make this template available, we'll select Publish.